Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Google Play PC Emulator. I'll teach you about Google Play PC Emulator. As you can see right now, play games in Google Play on your PC using an emulator. I suggest and give you Game Loop. If you don't know Game Loop, well, you can watch my video and Guide Glimpse. There's another video on Guide Glimpse talking about Game Loop and what it is and how to use it. Right now, I'm gonna teach you a short tutorial on how to use Game Loop. There we go. So once you find your game, for example, right here, Free Fire, as you can see, click on that and click resume because I've downloaded this. Actually, right now, you can download every game on Google Play. Consider Google Play, Google Play, Google Play, and Google Play. As you can see, those icons, those are the Google Play games. You can download every Google Play games here on Game Loop, depending on your region. So right now, the Philippines are here all available. So there's a lot of games here, like thousands. You can also play them in your PC by using Game Loop. So suggest you guys to use Game Loop Emulator. And if you want to know more about Game Loop, watch the videos and guide glimpse about Game talking about the game. There you go, guys. That's the best Google Play Emulator in using PC. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it on the comment below and we'll be happy to answer you quick and fast. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.